sa mga top contributors din ng team aside kay Ollie. So how are you feeling being able to get those kinds of wins here?
Kung ano naman po yung lagi ko sinasabi na kung ano naman po yung kaya kong ibigay sa team and yung support na kailangan po ni Ollie, kami naman po mga local players, tutulungan po namin siya.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, since this is your first conference with Akari, what does this 5-0 start mean to you?
Actually, we have a good player like Oli. So actually, this match it's not necessary to using a double substation. Why are you using a double substation? Because of the I want to make it improvement for the AB1. Not only this conference, for maybe next conference or next, like going to future. I was thinking about the future of the Akari. So we just start to work on that. So hopefully this work on that keep going. Make it our improvement.
For said, siyempre kakarating mo lang sa Akari nung last conference. Ngayon, ano yung nakita mong pinakaki sa napakalaking improvement ng team para dito sa 5-0 start?
To be honest, I must say it's really Coach Taka and his system. And also yung mga nabagos na dagdag sa aming mga players like Ivy, Kamoy, Danny, and Cams. Very big help talaga sila in this new Akari team. So, ayun, yun yung mga, I guess, major changes na nangyari. And kita naman na it's really working and everyone is, trusting the system,
Ayun, in line with that din, said, yun nga, new team, relatively new team din. So ano lang yung feeling for you na kahit ang dami ring changes na sumalubong sa'yo sa Akari, yun nga wala muna si Faith and Fifi, tapos may new players kayong pumasok. Parang kamusta lang yung pag-adapt mo sa sobrang daming changes din na nangyari ang bilis lang din na panahon?
I guess, ganyan talaga when it comes to professional level na you have to be able to be ready to, in changes and learn to adapt. Kasi I've been to a lot of changes na din naman sa career ko. So, I guess, etong recent change na to, hindi naman sa bago, but I think, may experiences na ako and I know na what to do when those changes come.
And for Ivy, ano din sa tingin mo yung best or biggest change sa Akari na nagiging dahilan din kung bakit 5-0 and grabe na yung improvement ng team this conference so far?
Siguro, syempre, yung sistema na meron ngayon. Kasi, maganda yung sistema ni Coach Taka and talagang matutulungan kami individually and as a team. Kaya, parang siguro yun yung pinakamalaking factor kung nasaan na yung Akari ngayon. And, ayun, hindi pa namin ganun ka-memorize yung system, pero hindi naman nagsasawa si Coach Taka na ipaalala sa amin kung ano dapat yung sistema meron.
And for Ollie, quite a similar question. I guess what's the biggest change you've observed with the team from your first game up to this point in the conference?
In the very beginning, it was a little bit all over the place because we didn't really have